forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss nature of roots of quadratic equation. Let ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, or we know root of this equation is given by this formula, x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. When we take plus sign, then we get one of the root. So let one of the root is alpha. Alpha equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And second root, beta is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This quantity b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant and denoted by d. d is equal to discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. And now we discuss nature of roots. 1. If discriminant equal to 0, means this quantity is 0. What happened when this quantity is 0? Just say alpha equal to minus b plus square root of 0, 0, means we get minus b upon 2a. So first root is minus b upon 2a, and second root minus b minus 0 upon 2a, means again minus b upon 2a, means both roots are equal and real. So if d equal to 0, both roots are real and equal. Point number 2. If b is greater than 0, take any number which is greater than 0. For example, 4. b square minus 4ac is 4. Then we get alpha equal to minus b plus 2. Alpha equal to minus b plus 2 upon 2a, and beta equal to minus b minus 2 upon 2a. In this case, both roots are different. So both roots are real and different. Third, if d is less than 0, less than 0 means any negative number. When we put any negative number inside the root, then we cannot solve this root, because we don't know root of any negative number, means which is imaginary. So in this case, both roots are not real, means roots are not real. Relation between roots and coefficients of any quadratic equation. We can also find relation between roots and relation between roots and coefficient of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, this is quadratic equation, and roots of these equations are alpha equal to this and beta equal to this. Now find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Taking LCM, 2a. So minus b plus root b square minus 4ac minus b plus root b square minus 4ac minus b, sorry, by mistake I write minus sign, correct it. So cancel minus b or minus b, minus 2b upon 2a. 2a to cancel, so minus b upon a. So sum of roots is equal to minus b upon a. Now product of roots alpha into beta means this into this. अब now multiply 2a into 2a 4a square. अब now this look like a plus b and a minus b. So a square minus b square. So minus b whole square minus root b square minus 4ac whole square. Now simplify b square minus p square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Next step equal to b square open bracket minus b square plus 4ac upon 4a square. b square to b square cancel. So 4ac upon 4a square. 4 or 4 cancel, a or square cancel. So we get c upon a. So product of roots equal to c upon a. Summary alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Let's do some practice question. Find discriminant of x square plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. First steps on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then coefficient of x square means a equal to 1. Coefficient of x means b equal to 5. And constant term c is equal to 5. So therefore discriminant is denoted by d equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means 5 square minus 4 into a into c. 4 into 1 into 5. If any negative number then always write in bracket. 25 minus 5 4 is 20. So value of d is 5. Next problem. Find positive value of k for which quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So first write quadratic equation x square plus kx plus 64 equal to 0. On comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Coefficient of x square means a equal to 1. Coefficient of x means b equal to k. And constant term c equal to 64. अब since roots are real and equal, since roots are real and equal, therefore discriminant equal to 0 means d equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square means k square minus 4 into 1 into c 64. So k square minus 64 4 jar 256 equal to 0. So k square equal to 256. So k equal to plus minus 16. But in question is given find positive value of k. So therefore k equal to 16 since k is positive. given in the question. Next problem. If the equation this has equal roots, prove that c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So first write on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So compare coefficient of x square a. So value of a is 1 plus m square. B equal to coefficient of x 2mc, and constant term c is actually c square minus a square. Now since roots are equal, when roots are equal, when value of discriminant equal to 0, means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now tell me value of b square. You have to simplify. B square equal to write 4ac and then put the values. B square 2mc whole square is equal to 4. In place of a, write 1 plus m square, or in place of c, write c square minus a square. Now simplify. 4 m square c square equal to 4. Now open the bracket. C square minus a square, 1 into c square, 1 into this, plus m square c square minus m square a square, bracket close. 4 and 4 cancel. M square c square equal to c square minus a square plus m square c square minus m square a square. M square c square, m square c square cancel. Now rearrange. C square as it is and send a square in this dead side. So a square plus m square a square. Next step. A square common. So in bracket we get 1 plus m square equal to c square. So hence prove c square equal to arrange a square into 1 plus m square. Next problem. If minus 2 is the root of the quadratic equation this, and the quadratic equation this has equal roots, find the value of k. Since minus 2 is the root है, since minus 2 is the root of x square minus 5, x square minus px minus 5 equal to 0, means minus 2 इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. So put x equal to minus 2. So minus 2 whole square minus p into minus 2 minus 5 equal to 0. Simplify and find the value of p. 4 plus 2p minus 5 equal to 0. So 2p minus 1 equal to 0. So 2p equal to 1 and p equal to 1 by 2. So we get value of p. Now equation has equal roots. So first write x square plus px plus k equal to 0. On comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b means coefficient of x is equal to p, and c equal to constant term k. Since roots are equal, therefore b square minus 4ac equal to 0. There is no space, so write that side. b square means p square minus 4ac minus 4a. A means 1 and c means k is equal to 0. Now simplify. Now substitute value of p. P equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square minus 4k equal to 0. 1 upon 4 is equal to 4k. So value of k is dividing both sides by 4. So 1 by 16 equal to k. In next lecture, we will do more question on nature of roots. Thank you. Have a nice day.